Alright, what's up guys? Before I get started, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, alright? Any questions, drop it in the comment section, alright? We got a very good buddy that stopped by today with a 98 Civic, and he dropped a K20 motor in here, alright? Now the only piece of the exhaust that the motor came with was just these racing headers, alright? So he installed the motor, and then he came to us. We ran a custom 3-inch stainless steel system the entire way, no resonators. The only thing that was installed was a K20 muffler that he provided, that he had on one of his other cars. So let's bring this thing down and listen to the two-step.